Assalamu alaikum. Today I shall discuss pronoun. Pronoun is a very wide range topic, but we'll discuss very important area of it. Let's begin. What is a pronoun? A word that replaces a noun in a sentence is called pronoun. There are different kinds of pronoun. Number one is personal pronoun, number two is reflexive pronoun, number three is indefinite pronoun, and the last one is interrogative pronoun. Let's discuss them one by one. Personal pronoun. It relates to persons. We have three persons in English grammar. First is first person, that is I, we, etc. For second person we have you, and for third person we have he, she, they, etc. But personal pronoun, it also has different forms: subjective form, objective form, and possessive form. Subjective form, I, we, you, he, etc. See example, I saw Ali yesterday. Here I is subjective form of pronoun, and for objective form, see example, Ali saw them yesterday. So them is here objective form. So because Ali is a person who has done some action, so that's why Ali is subject and them is objective form of pronoun. We can't put subjective to objective and objective to subjective in a sentence. The sentence would be wrong. For example, I can't say Ali and me played the match. That's wrong. I have to say Ali and I played the match. That's true. That's correct. And let's see possessive form. Possessive form is further divided into two categories. Number one is possessive adjective. Number two is possessive pronoun. For possessive adjective, we have example. I can say this is my pen. So here my is possessive adjective. After that noun comes, that is pen. And then we have possessive pronoun. That is, this pen is mine. Mine is possessive pronoun. And I can also say this is mine. So that's correct. So let's see reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun is a pronoun that reflects back to the same pronoun, same person. For example, I say I enjoyed myself in the party. So myself is actually reflexive pronoun of I. The person is same. We can't put different persons here. I can't say I enjoyed himself in the party. That's wrong. Because reflexive pronoun of I is myself, reflexive pronoun of he is himself, reflexive pronoun of they is themselves. So we have other examples. I say students who cheat on exams cheat themselves. So this is also the example. So let's go to the third kind of pronoun, that is indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun, it actually conveys general idea. That's why we say indefinite pronoun. See in the table, all these are reflexive pronoun. All these are indefinite pronoun. So see examples, and remember they are always used singular. For example, I say we have arranged a party. Everyone is welcome. So here is singular verb. Why I put is? Why? Because everyone is singular pronoun. I can't say everyone are welcome. That's wrong. So other example, no one knows the benefits of the scheme. So this is also, I said knows because no one is singular. The same way, third example, neither of the teams was able to perform well. So here I put was after teams. Actually, students do mistakes. After observing teams, they consider it a subject and plural subject. It's not subject. Subject is neither, and neither is actually the indefinite pronoun, and that is always singular. So that's why I shall say neither of the teams was able to perform well. And we move on to the last kind of pronoun, that is interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun, they actually ask questions in a sentence. For example, if I say, who was knocking at the door? Whom do you want to see? Whom do you want to see? So here the examples of reflexive, we have the example of interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun, we have which, what, as, who, whom. Remember, who is subjective form of pronoun and whom is objective form of pronoun. The same way, we have to see the difference between what and which. What is used for a very wide range options, and which is used for limited options. For example, if I go to a restaurant with my friend, I ask him, what do you want to eat? It means there are multiple options here. You can eat anything. So, but if waiter comes and he says, we have only noodles and burger, so I have to say to my friend, which do you want to eat? Because now the options are limited. So this is all about pronoun. See you in the next video.